I have recently moved from Korea to China. I'm now teaching English here, and that means I have a new apartment, and so I wanted to do a quick little apartment tour so I can show everybody. Starting with the entryway, this is the front door. When I come in, I have a lot of storage right away, which is really nice. I can keep my shoes in here, I have some books, and then coming into the living area. This is my main living room area, and it is right next to my little dining room. It is a little bit ratchet right now because I just don't have any furniture yet, and I'm gonna hopefully get that soon, but it's nice and spacious, which I really like. Nice and clean, and thankfully I have this little box to keep me warm in the winter. This nice floral decor on the wall. My couch, which is currently missing its cushions, as you will see later in the video where they have ended up. This is one of my favorite parts, my nice big kitchen. So I have my stove top, little fan, my sink, and the view, which is so nice. It's a very peaceful, quiet area. Cute little courtyard. It's very nice for cooking my meals. Here we have my actual bedroom, which there's not much going on right now. I need to order some stuff. This is my bed setup. So this is where the cushions from the couch ended up, and then I have a mattress pad folded over itself on top of the cushions and my blanket, because this mattress is basically wood. Not the most comfortable, so I'm waiting on a new mattress to come. These are the socks that I use at night to keep my feet warm, my bed snacks, and studying Korean. And lots of empty wall space for future decorations. My bedroom is right next to my little laundry room patio area. So this is where my washing machine is, drying some socks right now. And there's a really, really nice view from the window. Again, just a nice, quiet little city. In the winter it gets a little cold, so I need to keep the curtains closed so that my room stays warm, but during the day it's nice to look out the window sometimes. Looking at my room from this side, I have a lot of storage space, which is absolutely wonderful because I have a lot of clothes. I decided to splurge a little bit and get a 2-bedroom apartment. In case my friends come to visit me, they have a place to stay. This is probably the saddest room right now because I really haven't done anything to it. But I'm hoping that I'll be able to decorate it a little bit more. This one also has a really, really nice view of the courtyard outside. The birds chirping, it's very peaceful. This one also has very nice storage. The only thing I don't like about this room is the air conditioner is right above the cabinet up there. I was actually going to pick this to be my room, but because it's right on top of that wardrobe, it stops any of the air coming out. So it's kind of useless, but when it gets a little bit warmer, I think I'll be spending a lot of time in this room. And finally, we have the bathroom, a tropical theme to it. I thought that was really cute. And a nice little mirror here with some storage. I was actually pleasantly surprised at the amount of storage in the bathroom. A lot of Asian bathrooms do not have a lot of storage for your makeup or whatever, face wash, lotion, anything. It's usually just a sink top and then maybe one little ledge like this. So I was very happy about the extra storage space. Rack for a towel, and then the shower, double shower head, which is great. and an actual Western toilet instead of a squatty potty, which I was also very happy about. The only thing I don't like is the window in the shower. Luckily there is a curtain here, but I don't know why they have the window right in the shower. But overall, don't mind it. So that was just a very quick, short tour of my apartment. There's not much to show yet because there isn't much in here. I still need to get more furniture and decorations, and hopefully I'll be able to do that in the next month or two. And then maybe I'll update everyone with a video on it looking more livable. But right now I like it and it's working fine. So yeah, thanks for checking out my apartment with me. Have a wonderful day. Bye.